Welcome to Hello Health's Advanced Search and Clinical Decision Reminder training video. Once logged into Hello Health, please locate the Panel tab at the top of your page. If you are a staff member working from a staff account, please select the display picture on the top right-hand side of the page next to Log Out to work on behalf of a provider's account. Once in the Panel section, please select the blue link Advanced Search on the top right-hand side of the page next to Add Account. Once in the Advanced Search section, you will be presented with a list of options to add the criteria of your advanced search. The Advanced Search gives you many options to narrow down a specific list of patients that fit the criteria you are looking for. If you would like to know how many patients have not had any visits since a specific date, you have the option by going to the Visits section and then by selecting from the drop-down menu, Does Not Have. You can search different statuses of the visit by selecting the drop-down menu titled All. If you want to make your advanced search more specific, for example, to look for just completed visits. If you'd like to search a specific date, since this patient hasn't had a completed visit, change the drop-down menu that displays On to Since. This will allow you to enter in a specific date in your search. Once all the appropriate fields have been filled out, select Confirm. If this is a search you only need to do once and do not need to save it, then select the blue Search button at the top or bottom of the screen. The Advanced Search will pull a list of patients in your Panel section, which you can export from the three blue horizontal lines on the right side of the page, giving you the option from the drop-down menu to select Export List. The export will give you the list in an Excel spreadsheet format. If you would like to save the Advanced Search you had just created for future use, go back into the Advanced Search and select the blue Save button on the top or bottom of the page. Once selected, you will be presented with a window titled Saved Query. Enter in the title of the query, example, No visits since January 2015. You can also add a description to explain the purpose of the Advanced Search, but this is optional. Once you are finished, select the Save button. Once the Advanced Search is saved, you will see at the top right-hand side under Saved Queries, the Advanced Search you just saved. If you would like to edit the saved query, select the blue pen on the top of the Saved Queries section. If you would like to remove a saved query, select the saved query so that it is highlighted in blue and then select the minus symbol next to the blue pen. To search the previously saved query in the Panel section, type in the search bar the title of the saved query, then you will see the option to select the saved query from the drop-down menu, and then select the blue Search button. To have the saved query pop up in a patient's chart as a clinical decision reminder for your practice to see, go to the Admin tab when in your provider account or working on behalf of a provider, if you are a staff member, and then select Settings. Once in the settings, select Clinical Decision Reminders. Click on the blue link Add New to create a new clinical decision reminder. Document the title of the saved query, example No visits since January 2015, and you can document a description if you would like, but all the fields without a blue asterisk are not mandatory to fill out. To have the related saved query attached to the clinical decision reminder, type in the box Related Query the name of the saved query you have made in the Advanced Search. Please ensure that the clinical decision reminder has been enabled by checking off the box. You also have the option to color code the clinical decision reminder to make this rule more customized. Once finished, select the blue Save button. Now when you go into the patient's chart that has the saved query criteria that applies to them, you will see at the top of the chart the clinical decision reminder stating the title you chose for the clinical decision rule. If you wish to edit or view any existing clinical decision reminders, you do have this option by going back into the Admin tab under Settings within the Clinical Decision Reminders section. Select the blue pen on the right-hand side of the clinical decision reminder you wish to edit, view, or delete this rule. You can make any changes or disable that clinical decision reminder by selecting Edit View if this rule does not apply anymore. That concludes our Advanced Search and Clinical Decision Reminder training video. Should you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Hello Health support team at support@hellohealth.com or by calling us at 1-866-779-1536.